So today we're doing our mise en place for our stakeholders breakfast, where we'll have an omelet station, various Danish, fruit, coffee, juice, breakfast potatoes. So it's just a big celebration for those who have taken hold of us in the community and have shown their support for us here at Southwind High School.
I've been in this class since my freshman year. This part of the dual enrollment, I've actually did more hands-on than all my 4 years of this class. It's a good experience for people that want to learn how to cook.
Me and my teammate we were in the Grizzlies competition. We won first place for it.
So the students are preparing their mise en place. So they're doing their small dice on their onions and their bell peppers. Then they'll have a julienne cut of spinach in their omelets. So all of the fundamentals that they've gained in their dual enrollment class, they'll be able to utilize them and showcase them to the stakeholders in the community. Oh, this morning was phenomenal. We had a bit of a rush trying to get everything out, waiting for the students to get in the morning time. So we had to make sure that our timing, we were on point with our timing. So that was really important. And I think they got a chance to see that this morning.
Today we're setting up our breakfast for our school, Southwind High School.
My intent, yes, is for them to take the skills that they've gained and apply them in their everyday life.
We catered yogurts, fruits, biscuits, omelets.
So everybody got a chance to build their own omelet, whether it was with spinach, cheese, onions, peppers, ham, turkey, vegetarian. They got a chance to curtail it to their own palate.
It's been exciting, but also nerve-wracking, having to do all these preparations.
Yes, it does feel like you work in a real restaurant because a lot of people are here and you have to serve them. The program, you have to be very dedicated and you have to be motivated for the work.
At the end of the day, I hope that they will leave with the skills necessary to take them on in life.